Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus Uizard. We'll dive into their core functionalities, exploring what makes each tool unique and who benefits most from their features. Understanding their strengths and weaknesses will help you decide which platform best suits your design workflow, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your design journey. Let's get started by examining their fundamental approaches to design. Figma stands out for its comprehensive feature set, allowing for incredibly detailed and precise user interface and user experience design. Its real-time collaboration capabilities are unparalleled, enabling multiple designers to work on the same file simultaneously, fostering seamless teamwork. With thousands of plugins available, its functionality is highly extensible, making it a go-to choice for professional design teams and large-scale projects requiring intricate control. Uizard shines with its innovative AI capabilities, transforming hand-drawn sketches or even text descriptions into digital wireframes and mock-ups in mere minutes. This allows for incredibly rapid prototyping and quick validation of ideas, significantly speeding up the initial design phase. Its intuitive, drag-and-drop interface makes it exceptionally user-friendly, perfect for entrepreneurs, product managers, or anyone without extensive design experience looking to visualize concepts quickly. Ultimately, the choice between Figma and Uizard hinges on your specific needs. If you require a powerful, feature-rich tool for complex, collaborative, and professional UI/UX design, Figma is likely your best bet. However, if speed, ease of use, and AI-powered rapid prototyping are your priorities, especially if you're a non-designer or a beginner, Uizard offers a compelling solution. Consider your project's scope and your team's expertise to make the right decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.